Reports of flying saucers are nothing new. From the beginning of recorded time, men have been seeing unexplainable things in the sky.
Yellow tape music.
All systems nominal.
DJ Sound Barrier.
Don't get bodied, don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block. Don't get bodied.
You better adjust your volume settings. This shit bangs.
Niggas try to take my swag, even try to take my name. Before you throw your little shots, best make sure you have some aim. 4 a.m. is what I bang, but this really ain't got no name. But there won't be no missed calls when I let them shots ring. Niggas told me it was beef on sight, but they really internet thuggin'. They only want the beef on sight. Here's a little food for thought. On the battlefield, you'll be food for thought. Never hesitating, boy, let you truly are. You're a dead man if you put your shoes and all.
Don't get bodied, you better have that heater on. Cause niggas cold, they a switch up when that heat is on. Riding in the old school bucket with my speakers on. Smoking on some thinking wild shit with my fingers on. Don't get bodied, my young boys will buck it down. Block boys 4 a.m., we about to shut it down. No soldiers, no troops in this motherfucker. We make it rain, talking money, motherfucker. Don't get bodied, don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block. Don't get bodied, don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block. Don't get bodied, don't get bodied. Don't get bodied, don't get bodied. Don't get bodied, don't get shot.
It's DJ Sound Barrier.
You don't wanna be the next nigga body boy. You too loud and my niggas sit to kill the noise. Have your ass laid up in that body bag. Gun sound, let it sound, let that jump fast. Now dead that for the bread, my niggas switch his head back. Give him 6 more shots where his legs at. Leave the body still laying where it land at. But unloaded up the heat, now it's time to ride. Tell the bitch ass nigga that's time to die. We got duct tape plus rope to tie. Trunk swing hammer and take a ride. Pickups getting smoother now. Paranoid, can't sleep, Freddy Krueger town. 45 on my lap, I'm cruising out. Trying not to get body.
Product not yet rated.
Playing my mirrors, I'ma make it tough. Seen the best players die, hustling in the buff. Trying not to get bodied is a lifestyle, and I'm prepared to do 20 by the life now.
Don't get bodied, don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block.
Barrier.
Don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block. Don't get bodied, don't get bodied. Don't get bodied, don't get bodied. Don't get bodied.
It's DJ Sound Barrier.
Don't get body, don't get shot. Don't be the next nigga laying on the block. Don't get body, don't get shot. Niggas in the hood tryna get it while it's hot. Catch you while you cooking, niggas bagging up your pots. Thought you had a stash, you had it on the block. Don't get body, don't get shot. 10 niggas with me and we all holding blocks.
Shotty on the side, everybody follow. 10 niggas in, 10 back follow me. Them days over, we days over. Nigga, we back to back. Shit, I'm counting bodies by the damn rack. Shit, I'm counting bodies in the damn trap. You can get body where the fuck you at. Yeah, I got bodies like the damn bank. I'm counting bodies by the damn ranks.
Breaking the sound barrier.
This is a company that kicks ass.
CBS reports UFO. Friend, foe, or fantasy.
And my Birkin the strap come with the bag. Getting cash, haters can't get no bigger mag. Clip the blast, nigga line you up, make you hit your stash. Hit the Ave, he ain't on his block, nigga spin it back. The game wicked, probably don't deserve it if you ain't risk it. How you had your strap on you and ain't blicking. A wise man told me never play the victim. Since y'all niggas eat together, I feed y'all with the same biscuit. All you snakes got the same venom. Before he get to try to show his fangs, I end up staining him. Aim for the head, fuck exchange and the bang. Doctors see it flatline before they save the victim. Get it wholesale, then tax it dummy. Being stupid costs you way more than not having money. For my ops to get revenge, the ghost
Sonic boom, Sonic boom,
connected to the crown when I snatched it from
Newly released video raising questions about the existence of UFOs.
Yeah. A lot of y'all just loyal to the bag. And I'm hungry from a handshake. Look, what up, blood? What up, cuz? Blood cousin, I'm befuddled, beloved. Do we value family ties or touching the budget? Y'all tried to can me with lies, then run with some suckers. What happens behind the blinds always comes to the public. Who's realer, the revealer or the one owning up to it? Nobody's perfect or all-knowing. My flaws showing, my stars glowing. Never was heartbroken, I'm thought-provoking. Valid was valid before you was rapping. Young and follow my lead, my environment is a product of me. Locked in with bosses, you starving to meet. Y'all can't walk or compete. Y'all do tours, I so hard in these streets. As far as I start for law for transgressing these ranks. Untie your camel, draw your sword, and I'm stretching your face. Toss you off of the plane. How you talking about cake? You overweight and lighter than my withdrawals from the bank. Tables get turned and some bridges get burnt. Stop by for anybody that be fucking with me. I just lived and I learned. I've been putting in work. Don't talk tough to me, cause you never was street. I'ma milk this game for whatever it's worth. By the time you get an M, I'll be touching a beat. Don't end up in the dirt, RIP on the shirt. You don't want a nigga spilling blood, is nothing to me. I rose from the dead like a phoenix. Foes left dead in the bleachers. Christian lose blood for the red that's beneath us. I never worry, they forever scary. Death is eerie. So why 3 going 6 feet is hereditary. I jog in cemeteries, pull up in 7 series. Deadlift contemporaries, then press obituaries. Loved ones quoting the scripture. Says blood deeper than water, let's see if you die and still float in the river. Most of you niggas shook. Do anything for a look. I give an inch, they take a foot and then fake for the book. You do all that cape and you push. Your chain go plated, so once this flame hit your frame, you gon' fade in the dust. It's no secret, I got strength from a weakness. Cut friends off this leeches, hit Thailand for the beaches. You niggas ain't sleep while I slept. Or me who I met. No cosign, I depended on me for respect, nigga. Tables get turned and some bridges get burnt. Stop by for anybody that be fucking with me. I just lived and I learned, I've been putting in work. Don't talk tough to me, cause you never was street. I'ma milk this game for whatever it's worth. By the time you get an M, I'll be touching a beat. Don't end up in the dirt, RIP on the shirt. You don't want a nigga spilling blood, it's nothing to me. Remember this, it's only one VALED. 15 moves ahead of you niggas. And I don't even know how to play chess.
Just to get them off the Earth and escape the Earth's gravitational pull.
Yeah.
Sound barrier. Sound barrier.
Fuck these niggas out here talking about, man. I transform my lack of support into needed fuel. A pharaoh, but I do not need a nimbus for me to rule. The hunger I possess won't allow me to relax. No words for my ops, I leave one in their chest like David's brother did sex. These hoes freaky, I can't just give any woman my kids. Rappers cuffing and skeeting and pouring bitches like Freddie Gibbs. I'm back on my shit, subsequent to my mini hiatus. Watch me shine and try to destroy me like Jonathan.
Who did you kill to get this track?
Do it? Fuck yeah, that's peep how I flame. Goofies practice at the shooting range and burn their ass with the same tune. Watch my mom go suddenly and I ain't been the same since. These niggas say that they the hardest out, I'm still not convinced. Lost my confidence for a brief second, I had to regain it. Denounced my throne for a period, but now I'm back to obtain it. Peons acting as if my shit been inadequate. My style always been grimy, but now I'm on some savage shit, nigga.
It's DJ Sound Barrier.
The subject of unidentified flying objects has become a matter of national security.